Hello, ladies and gentlemen, dear students. I'm going to put together a very quick video to show you how to get Fusion 360 onto your computer. Okay, for 90% of you, this won't be a problem. You won't need this video, but for some of you, you might need it. Okay, I've just set up a new account, but you'll please use your Student at Jess account, please. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is I'll go and I'll Google Fusion 360 student. Okay, now I've used this a million times and you can see it's gone purple. Please don't choose the one that says that's an ad. Choose this one here. Click on that. There's 3 steps. Yeah, I have an account. Yeah, I need an account, or I need to get access. So I'm going to create an account. So just pretend I've never had an account before in my life. Okay, so you need to put all this stuff in, yeah? So you need to put in Singapore. I'm a teacher. You're going to say that you're a student. I'll pretend that I'm a student. It's a high school, isn't it? Yeah? And make sure that your date of birth, I'm really old. You're much less older than me. I'm going to pretend to only be born in 1982. That makes me younger. Okay? And then it asks you to create an account, yeah? Paul Dawes. My new account is paul.dawes.jess. I need that because I'm going to get a confirmation email in a tick, but you'll use your own Jess account, please, yeah? paul.jess@gmail.com, and I'm going to set up a password, and I'm going to agree, create an account. Okay, it says that it requires a verification, yeah? So I'm going to go back into here, and there you go, verify your Autodesk account. I'm going to hit here and verify email. I'm hoping that I don't want to receive electronic email messages. I'm going to hit done. Okay, now it asks you for the name of your education institution. Can't find your school? No, it can't. So you have to type this in, okay? It's a secondary school. We're in Singapore. We're in Singapore. We're in Singapore. Add. Okay, let's click on product design. Enrolled from, I don't know, what's the month this month? It's March 2020, and let's say we're going to graduate in May 2024. I don't know, something like that. Let's see where that works. Yep, so it says now I'm okay. I'm ready to continue. So I hit continue. Okay, and from this point, I need to be able to get access. Step 2, get access. Okay, so if I hit get access, this is where it sometimes gets strange. It says that it's been received, it's being processed, Our apologies for this delay. I'm going to hit you on pause, and I'm going to try and it should have a downloaded here, just here. Okay, hang on a tick. Sorry about that. I just put you on pause because it didn't allow me to download it straight away. So what I did is I got out, and then I Googled Fusion 360 student again, and it says that I've already got access. I went to sign in. I press the step to sign in. I've already got an account, and it comes to here. So now I hit to download. And it's going to begin downloading now. Yeah, so it'll download down here. Hopefully you can see that. And I end up with a client downloader that looks like this. Okay. Now, the fact is that I've already got Fusion 360, so it's not a problem. Okay. So I'll right-hand mouse click. I'll open to install. Yeah. But I already have it on my computer, so I can't do that. But you'll be able to do that, and it'll probably take about 10 minutes for it to come down. Okay. And once it's come down, it's going to look like this. I'm going to open it up for you now so you can see it. and you should be able to use it straight away. Okay. Just a couple of tips as it's doing that. I'm just going to go back to Fusion 360 Student again. If you get stuck here, yeah, I have an account. I create an account, yeah. So I've created an account. If you're still not able to download it, yeah, you'll need to re-Google Fusion 360 for Students, okay, and then you should get to this download. Don't click on this. Don't click on this. Don't click on any of these. Don't download that file. Don't do any of these, okay? Don't do any of those, okay? Yeah, this is the one that you need to download, this one here, okay? So don't click anything else, okay? Oh yeah, don't click that one either, okay? That'll only lead you to confusion, okay? If you're not able to get to this point here, then please email me and we can do a Teams together, yeah? And we can work it out. I can look at your screen, you can look at my screen, and we can work it out together, okay? But 90% of you, or more, should have no problems getting this downloaded, okay? Like I say, if you've got any problems, send me an email or send me a Teams message and I'll try and sort you out, okay? Great.